Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix games not showing up in Ryujinx, Eden Emulator, or Citron Emulator. Alright, let's run through a quick checklist that fixes this in most cases. First, make sure your game format is correct. Your game should be either NSP or XCI. If your game came in multiple parts, make sure you extract them together so it forms one complete file. Also, don't confuse the base game with update files. If your file size is too small, it's probably just an update and won't show up. Next, check your keys and firmware. Make sure both are properly installed. If needed, reinstall them fresh. Very important. Your keys and firmware versions should match. For example, if you're using version 21 keys, use version 21 firmware as well. Mismatched versions can stop games from appearing. Next, check your game folder location. If your game is buried too deep inside multiple folders, the emulator might not detect it. Quick test. Move your game to a simple folder like Downloads or Desktop, then add that folder again in the emulator settings. If it shows up, then your previous folder path was the problem. Finally, the issue could be the game file itself. Sometimes a file is incomplete or corrupted and won't load at all. If everything else looks good and it still doesn't show, try using a different copy of the game. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Error Genie.